Authority Backlink Pro tutorial. When you open Authority Backlink Pro, you will see this screen. Keywords. It's here where you enter a targeted niche keyword phrase, and the software will search for blogs within that niche to comment on. In the URL field here, you enter your website URL. In the name field, enter your name, or ideally keyword phrase here. In the email field, enter your email address. It might be a good idea to use an email used for registrations and mailing lists here. Load list. Although the software will find blogs in your niche to comment on, you also have the option to import a list of WordPress blogs. For example, you can load the URLs in here, which you have harvested from Backlink Sniper or the .gov Edu blog search feature of the software. Here is where you browse for the file of your list of URLs for loading into the software. Anchor text. Here, you'll automatically create keyword phrase based hyperlinks, and these will be inserted into the blog posts that the software finds. Use proxies. If you check this box, this feature enables you to load a proxy list into the software. Therefore, each comment you post will appear to be posted from different geographical locations. The advantage of this is that you can post additional comments on blogs targeting other niche-related keyword phrases. The comment box. This is where you compose the comment which you want to post on the blogs found. You can use jet spinner syntax here, which is what I've done, if you can see. I loved your post. Pipe. It was with great interest that I read your post. The way that this will come out once the software is posting, it will say, "Hi, I loved your post," or "Hi, it was with great interest that I read your post." So, with a little bit of creativity there, you can make some really cool, unique posts. Scrape pages. The Scrape Pages feature allows you to define how many results are to be returned from a Google search. Selecting one page will return one page of 10 results, whereas 10 will result in 100 results. The list position here is where you define what point the software starts in a list that you've loaded here. For the sake of this part of the demonstration, we're not concerned with that, so we can leave that box blank. Okay, operation of the software. Once we've got all these fields populated and we're happy with them, we simply press the play button, and the software goes off to Google and searches for all the blogs that match our criteria. With one page selected, it will sit on this page for a while, and then it will save these results. And here we see we found 10 blogs. Now the software will automatically navigate to these blogs. So here's our first blog. If we scroll down, we can see the field's been populated here with a hyperlink pointing back to the website that I'm promoting. And as you can see, it's created our first unique post. There's a captcha here to fill in. Now if I was happy with that, I'd just click Add Comment. But I think the best thing to do is to really have a quick read of the post and see that you're going to be contributing something of value. Okay. So let's say I'm happy with that. I enter the captcha here and then click Add Comment. And it tells us that Our comment is waiting moderation. Once our comment's been posted, simply click play and it will move on to the next blog. Okay, on to our next blog here. Just wait while the page loads. There you go. See, those fields have all been filled in for us. I always think it's a good idea to read the posts that I'm going to be commenting on and see that what I'm putting in there has some value and will be relevant, because that will help in the end of the day when it comes to people looking at your comments. If they look like spam, they'll get treated as such, but if they provide some value, then it's very likely that they'll be approved. And there you go. You see that our post has been added in here. That's basically all there is to the operation of the software. It's very simple to use. And so we found 10 blogs that we could comment on there. Obviously, if I'd increased this amount, we'd have found a lot more.